Hi, my name is Shreya Mathur. I'm a first-year student of PGDM Core at Goa Institute of Management. My majors is marketing and my minors is strategy and consulting. While I had various other offers from other institutes to pursue my 2 years degree of MBA, I picked Goa Institute of Management because of the holistic environment and the great infrastructure it provides. Learning at GIM is a comprehensive blend of classroom activities as well as extracurricular activities to ensure that students are well equipped with theoretical knowledge as well as hands-on industry experience. Within the classroom, the faculty make sure to build up your concepts and scale it up with the help of industry knowledge, case studies, etc. Marketing at GIM moves out of classroom as well. With the help of MECCA, the marketing club of GIM, make sure to give everyone the opportunity to bring out their classroom knowledge and apply it in real life as well through various industry talk, panel discussions, debates, as well as networking opportunities. So unlock your potential and be extraordinary at Goa Institute of Management.